Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you a healthy dessert idea that is cheap and easy to make. It is called a sweet potato dessert. So here's my sweet potato. I already rinsed under the cold water and scrub it off all the dirt. So we're gonna peel off the skin. So here are our sweet potato that I already peeled off the skins. By the way, you can cut your sweet potato small pieces like this. So when you cook, it's easy, it will be cooked faster. I forgot to mention that sweet potato is one of the root vegetables that pack with antioxidants and vitamins and a great dose of fiber. So after you cut small pieces, you're gonna put in cooking pot and add water. And then cook high heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. So this is our sweet potato after boiling in the water for about 25 minutes. Next, you're gonna drain them and transfer into a bowl. Okay, next we're gonna mash them using a fork. Okay, after you mash your sweet potatoes, we're gonna seasoning it with cinnamon. We're gonna use about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can put more or put less. Now we're gonna stir everything together. And make sure let your sweet potato cool down a little bit before you serve. So now we're gonna serve in this small bowl. And topping it with whipped cream. Okay, hope you guys like it and try this at home. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.